Hey everyone, I'm Jessica Neistadt and welcome to today's tutorial. I had the pleasure of teaming up with fellow creators Sam and Jess. They make fun lifestyle vlogs that take their viewers through their daily life. They've recently switched over to Premiere and together we're showing you some of the awesome new features that Premiere has to offer, whether you're also new to the software or a longtime user. Today we're talking speech to text. Let's dive in. To work faster and stand out, let's take a look at speech to text. Let's start by activating the Captions workspace. You can also just open the text window panel, but I think this is a little more fun. This tool works on a full timeline sequence if you'd like. Just hit Transcribe Sequence, and Premiere will give you some options. If you're working with multiple audio tracks and tagging them in the Essential Sound panel, you can specifically target all the dialogue clips. We'll just select the audio on track 1. Pick a supported language. These are all the ones that are available as of recording this tutorial. You can limit the transcription to a custom in and out point or run the entire timeline. Use this if you're adding to an existing transcription, and the last box will keep track of different voices to separate out different speakers for you. If your transcribe button is grayed out, or if you're missing any of these options, make sure you have the most up-to-date version of Premiere Pro installed. Let's go ahead and the audio is sent to the Adobe Cloud for processing. The longer your sequence, the more time it takes to process, but after a short wait, there we go. This is what it looks like when you enable multiple speakers as well. You can customize the speaker names for easier editing and jump to different parts of your timeline by selecting the text. Double-click to edit any mistakes and scrub around for a real-time preview of where this dialogue is spoken. You can import and export these transcriptions here, or click Create Captions to auto-generate on-screen captions based on your formatting and style choices. After doing all of this, you're still free to make any changes to the transcript using the caption workflow. So, take advantage of Premiere Pro's speech-to-text to help you work faster and stand out on your next project. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.